first, we'll log in. If you do not have an account, you can head to opensponsorship.com, go to sign up, create a brand account for free, and then begin searching and follow along with this guide. I'll log in. From your Open Sponsorship dashboard, you'll navigate to the left panel where you'll see Search. On Search, we have a few things we'll see immediately. First, here is the search bar itself, where you can type in any sport you'd like, any athlete name you'd like, anything else that you can think of just to dive right into searching. For example, I could type in the word NBA, and immediately anything that's associated with the NBA will come up below. So we'll reset our filters. Today, we'll work under the assumption that we are a brand that sells surfboards and surf apparel, and we're looking for an athlete that we can work with in California to promote one of our local stores. Now, in this case, what we'll do is we'll take advantage of the advanced filters. So we'll click down, and we'll see many more filters we can apply to find athletes for us. The first thing I'll do is head into sport, and I'll type in the word surf. Now here we can find surfing. I'll select it, and it will be added to the filters below. Next is we'll type in California, where our storefronts are, to make sure that athlete is currently located within California. Now I can move on to their social footprint to make sure that this athlete has enough of a following to really help my business get a boost. So I'll click their followers, and I'll head down and type in 10,000 as the minimum. So again, you can see that filter has been added below, and it actually will automatically apply that specifically to Instagram, but I'll go ahead and remove that Instagram profile. So next what we can do is head over and we can do some follower demographics. So I know that my target audience is between the ages of 18 and 34, so I can make sure that the athlete I work with has a similar follower demographic to my target audience. I can do this by clicking age, head down to 18 to 24, 25 to 34, okay? And then lastly, what I can do is actually make sure that a majority of their audience is within California as well. So I'll head to location, type in California, and add that filter. Lastly, I'll press the filter button, and it'll bring up 24 athletes. So from here, you get a very basic view of the athlete themselves, and we'll take a look at Blair. So Blair is a professional surfer that lives in California, has 1.5 million followers across the board, and you can see down here that 32% of Claire's audience is between the ages of 18 to 24, and 41% of Blair's audience is between the ages of 25 to 34. So 73% of Claire's entire social following is within my target demographic. You can also see that 15% of that 100% following currently lives in California. So as you're going through the search results, what you can do is you can actually choose to click the heart in the top right of the profile, favorite them as you go along, and then if you want to come back to this search, you'll be able to easily find these favorite athletes again. So that's all for this guide on advanced search filtering. If you need any more help at all, please do reach out to our team or leave a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks. Bye.